Hi, this is Kari from Kari's Crafts. Today we are going to be working a foundation I-cord. It's quickly becoming one of my favorite methods for starting crochet, especially when I'm working mosaic. It's very fast and it creates a nice neat stitch, a nice neat edge, and it's kind of stretchy, and it's actually a lot faster for me than chaining and then working into those chains. Now, some people will actually start with a foundation single crochet for mosaic, but for me, that's a little bit fiddly, and I don't know, maybe it's just because I don't practice it as much, but I don't like that one as much. This one I prefer much better. So all you will need is your yarn and a hook. I'm using a worsted weight yarn and a size H hook. One thing I do notice is that I have to consciously make sure that I use a loose enough tension or else go up a hook size, because otherwise my stitches end up rather tight with this. So keep that in mind. You'll want to check your tension. Now, it's very similar to how you work a long tail cast on in knitting, in where you'd normally pull out like a very long tail to start out with. But just to make sure that I don't either run short or have a whole bunch of extra yarn at the end, I like to actually just take two strands and like two balls of yarn and put them together in the slip knot. It just makes it much easier for me. It ends up getting hidden in the border, so I don't really worry about it. So normally you would use the same color, but just to show you which strand of yarn goes where, I'm actually using two different shades. It's kind of a subtle difference, but you can see the difference there. So anyway, so once you have your slip knot on your hook, you are going to take your one yarn, wrap it over, hold on to your slip knot there, then you're going to yarn over with the other yarn and then pull it through. And that's all there is to it. It's really that simple. So your bottom yarn, you're going to just lay over the hook like this, and then your other one, yarn over and pull it through. Oh, I made that one rather big. We're going to take that one out. Hold on. Okay, so we're going to wrap it over, yarn over, and pull through. And you can do this for as many stitches as you want to start with. So yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Now I'm actually going to do 29 of these because that's what I'm going to start my sample with for the next video in the series. So you just continue on as long as you need to. So yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Once you get in kind of a rhythm here, it actually flows pretty fast. Which, like I said, this is one of the reasons I like it. It's actually pretty fast once you kind of get in a rhythm. It's something that you don't have to completely concentrate on other than counting how many you're casting on here. I know casting on is a knitting term, but that's kind of what we're doing. So anyway, you can do as many as you need to, but here it creates a nice, you've got your V's for the top of your stitch, so your front loop and your back loop, or you could go underneath there, and then it creates a nice edge here. Now on the back it does almost look like a garter stitch in knitting, but yeah, so you've got your bottom edge to work a border into, and then you've got your other loops to actually work into. So I'm going to keep going, and so you go as many as you need to, and then you just cut your yarn, pull it through here, and continue on. Or if you want to just if you're going to continue on, you can just chain turn around and start working into your stitches. So anyway, I hope that helps clear up how to do that. If you have questions, please leave me a comment or shoot me an email. Thanks for watching.